This is a 1978 Datsun 280z Fairlady Z. We have here is a one-owner car with 82,000 original miles. Car started originally as a copper color car. We did a full restoration. Everything is completely new. It's got an $8,000 paint job with a metallic green with a candy blue flip-flop on it. It's got the 240Z bumpers, front and rear. It's got the rear BRE spoiler on it. Car has completely been gone through everything on its new suspension, sway bars, interior. It's got vintage Recaro seats, door panels, center consoles new radio. It's got the Japanese JDM mirrors on it. It's got custom three-piece core wheels that were custom made for the car. Alone, they're $5,000. So you got the front spoiler also. You got JDM flares, 3-inch, 4-inch in the back, 3-inch in the front. All the moldings, all the emblems are new on the car. Rug is new inside also. It's got the Momo steering wheel. It is a matching L28 engine in the car with a 4-speed. The car, when we took it apart, we took the engine out. We took the head off with the compression checks. Everything is super perfect on it. We had the head resurfaced, a mild poured and polish on it, reassembled everything. It's got brand new Weber's 44 millimeters on it, triples, with a competition ceramic coated header from California Datsun's, running back through a 2.5-inch exhaust to a tuner muffler. You'll be hearing it soon. The car is absolutely zero rust, and if you know about these cars, you'll point out there's no rust in the hatch area. See how clean all this is. Absolutely everything. All the weather strippings are new on it. You can see the bottom. Absolutely no rust anywhere at all in the car. Door panels are new. New rugs, new center console like I mentioned before, brand new Momo, everything matching, everything very elegantly done. The car also has AC, ice cold AC, new components. Everything with braided stainless steel hoses also. Everything was upgraded, radiator. It's got external oil cooler on it also. Here you can see the dryer for the AC with new condenser also. Everything was very tastefully and professionally modified. I'll show those things. Gauges work, temperature, oil pressure, fuel, volts. Of course, the only thing that doesn't work will be the clock. But the gauge, the mileage, mile markers, tach, everything works perfect. All 4 gears doing it smooth. Reverse goes in perfect. Very nice ride.